If you've ever finished editing a video in CapCut on your PC and then couldn't figure out where it was saved, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your CapCut videos on PC in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to back up your files, move them to another folder, or just make sure you know where your drafts and exported videos are stored. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon, which is usually in the top area of the screen. Click that gear icon to open the Settings menu. Inside the Settings, you'll want to find the Draft tab. This section controls where CapCut stores your draft files and download files on your computer. Under the Draft tab, look for the file icon next to the Download to Location option. This little icon is important because it lets you quickly open the exact folder where CapCut is saving your files. Click that file icon, and CapCut will show you the save location in File Explorer. Now copy that folder path. This is the easiest way to find the exact directory without guessing or searching through random folders. Once you've copied the location, go to File Explorer on your PC. You can open it from the taskbar or search for it in the Start menu. When File Explorer opens, click the address bar at the top, paste the folder path you copied from CapCut, and then press Enter. File Explorer will take you directly to the folder where CapCut stores your videos. From here, you can see all your files in one place, including your CapCut videos and related project folders. If you need to, you can also open them, move them, rename them, or copy them to another location for backup. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your CapCut videos on PC without wasting time searching around your computer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.